Hello.
What's your name?
My name is Danny Faijucino.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
And where are you from?
Malapit lang ako dito. Makiling ka lang pala dito.
Ano po ang program niyo sa LTU Taguig?
Ngayon, ang tinitake kong program ay MMA, Multimedia Arts.
Saan po ang punta natin today?
Ngayon ay pupunta tayo sa last class namin sa Being Skill. So,
Are you excited?
syempre, last class for today. So, masaya ako.
So, syempre, since nabanggit niyo na pupunta tayo sa klase mo sa main skills for today, I want to know kung anong topic yung nagbigay ng huge impact sa personal and academic life mo and share your realizations about it.
I think one of the biggest impact talaga sa akin is ayun nga, about sa meditation. Kasi before I feel like, I really don't know how I will, yun nga, yung meditation. Pero because of Miss Tam, it helps me na, yun pala yung mga ways and correct ways talaga para mag-meditation. So, and then marami like about sa emotion, and it helps me a lot na, ayun pala na, hindi pala sabay-sabay yung emotion at all at once. So, kaya, and sobrang madami pa. So, kaya, those things help me talaga na mas makilala ko yung sarili ko.
Ayun! Siyempre, di ba, after you've had all those realizations, ano naman yung message mo sa sarili mo na sa tingin mo makakatulong sa personal and academic life?
I think the only message for myself is that, ayun nga, you don't have to do it all alone. And like, meron kang mga friends, lalo like they are there para tulungan ka. And if you feel like you're alone or like you are feeling sad, always remember na you have your friends at your back. So yeah, I think that's the big, like, one thing I would advise for myself right now. So nandito tayo ngayon sa room. So sa last class natin sa Being Skill.
Thank you!
Thank you!
Bye-bye!